linear straight-chain alkanes. Now, we will now move on to what we call as cycloalkanes. No? So, the same with our activity kanina, we will be drawing and naming cycloalkanes as well. So, known conditions, when a chain contains 3 or more carbons, the atoms can join to form cycloalkanes. If you have only 1 carbon atom or 2 carbon atoms, you cannot form a cycloalkane, di ba? Wala kasang may join together. Paano may join ng isa kagang dua? So, your cycloalkane starts with 3 carbon atom. Butang balon, ano na siya? Propane. No? And when you name a cycloalkane, you start with the word cyclo, then followed by the prefix. Again, same prefix as we did as we used in the linear alkenes, plus the ane suffix. So, cycloalkenes are ring or cyclic structures containing carbon-carbon single bonds, and they follow the general formula C sub N H sub 2N. No? So, karon na send sang sang sabat. Mati diyan na. No? So, how different, no? How different is the formula of cycloalkanes from your straight-chained alkanes? Anybody? What difference can you observe? Anybody? Look back ko sa formula, last time sa straight-chained alkanes and compare it with the formula of your cycloalkane. Anong na-spot nyo na difference? Walang tawanin nyo notebook na. Yan kinalain. Lagid. Okay? So we can see, let's go back to the formula, chemical formula of our straight-chained alkane. So we say that your straight-chained alkane is given by the formula C sub N H sub 2N plus 2. However, when we cycloalkane, by, ito siya, is given by C sub N H sub 2N. Ang mga nagasabat between 33 kagano, hindi ko na pag i-admit ha. You're not following instructions. May submission di again nga alin siya nga 1033, no? Hasta subong. Consider it null and void. Ika-lecture na ko di. 3 and 9. No, kaya ni submit da. I will give you time to submit. Going back. So again, in the calculation for the chemical for the difference now between your straight-chained alkane and cycloalkane, so wala kita diya plus 2. No? It's simply Cn H2 sub 2N. Kung straight-chained alkane siya, may plus 2 pa na. For straight-chain. Cycloalkane, wala plus 2. Okay, let's have an activity or practice first. So, how many hydrogens will be attached to a cycloalkane with 3 carbons? Now, when When you see this question, it means that I am asking for the chemical formula of a certain compound. No? Again, kung ang muna ganing question, it means that I'm asking for this answer. No? And this is your chemical formula. No? So, given the formula, no, 3 alkanes, N is equal to 3 because N refers to the number of carbon atoms. And 2N here represents the number of hydrogen atoms. Now, if we substitute N in the formula, then we'll have 2 times 3 equals 6. Therefore, the chemical formula for our cycloalkane is C3 and then H6. No? So this means that a cycloalkane with 3 carbon atoms can bond with 3 hydrogens. So how do we draw the structural formula? So we simply connect the carbons together with a single bond. No? So as we did in this example. No? So ano ni siya? So ang tatlo ka carbons, no? May H, may tatlo ka anom ka H. So we simply distribute equally the number of hydrogens for each atom. So kay 6, meaning up to hydrogen atoms for each of the carbon. So ano naman yung ngalan? Sini. So according to the rule, we will write cyclo first. Then you have the prefix which is pro, kay tatlo kabilog ang iyang carbon atom. Prop, and then the suffix -ane. So the name of a 3-carbon cycloalkane is a cyclopropane. Okay, another example. How many hydrogen will be attached to a cycloalkane with 5 carbons? So, applying the formula, if N is 5, if our carbon is 5, if we have 5 carbon atoms, how many hydrogen should we have? Or which should we connect in the structure? So it's equal to 2N, where 2 is multiplied by 5, which is number of carbons, which will give us 10 hydrogen atoms. O si Cordero, gasend pa o. Hindi ko man nagyapag
Provision ko signal, ma'am.
So the chemical formula for this alkane, cycloalkane is C5H10. No? So how should we name this?
Cyclopentane.
Cyclopentane.
So you have your cyclo, pent, and then you have ane, cyclopentane. So if we have 5 carbons, you simply loop them together. So you have 5 carbons and we distribute the hydrogen atoms around them. Now, this is the structure for a cyclopentane. No? So, managinambal ko kagina, no? Hindi na pag-ipilit, i-send ang inyong output. Kayo will be adding to that output. No? Since we have already discussed 2, no? And we only have 8 cycloalkanes, so you have, pero kumplituhan nyo na lang, write the name, the chemical formula, and draw the structure of your cycloalkanes. Sa likod, sung ginobrahan nyo kanina sa straight-chained alkanes.
1 to 10 man, Mace.
Yeah? Question? Anong pamangko? Tula ko na ako. What was the question?
1 to 10 man, Mace, nga, Mace, nga
hindi na 1 to 10 eh. Din kayo nagsugod ang cycloalkane. Sulit ko kanina. Di nagsugod ang cycloalkane. Pila lang ka carbon? Pila?
3,
ma'am.
3 propane.
Kaya hindi ka ka-form loop with methane. Isa lang ka carbon. Paano ka nakaimo loop? Kung may 2 ka carbon, paano ka nakaimo loop? Hindi nangyapon. So the smallest molecule, no, that you tawag na, that cycloalkane would take is 3 carbon atom. So to answer your question, walo lang.
Excuse miss, pwede pa, ay, butangan pa ni Ayupak name, miss.
Please hold on to your answer sheets, no? I will collect them on Friday. Nakapos sa pasaron si Torque ang quiz.
Saan pa nakakapit?
Refreshing sa inyo mga agi pa. Yan, maglantaw ah. speed din yung mga gibo.
Pwede na ka-submit, miss?
Uy, galang taon ako ganyan. Mga raw chikan ko, hindi ko ma-high blood.